Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the right brush and loading it correctly so your first strokes behave predictably. Pick synthetic for fast-drying acrylics or natural for oils because absorption changes paint flow. Dip only 1/3 to 1/2 of the bristles and tap excess on the can rim. This prevents drips and keeps flow steady. Hold near the ferrule for precision on details, but switch to a looser grip toward the handle for longer, fluid strokes once you establish the initial marks. Once you have base strokes down, build form by layering and varying pressure. Apply paint thin to thick so lower layers dry and support upper layers. This prevents cracking and muddiness. Use a dry brush with light pressure to create texture and a fully loaded brush with firmer pressure for solid coverage. Make long, confident strokes for background washes, then switch to short, directional strokes for texture and form. Rotate the canvas and adjust wrist angle. This keeps edge control and consistent paint application. To finish, refine edges and harmonize transitions so the piece reads as one. Use a slightly damp brush or a smaller detail brush to soften hard edges and step back frequently to judge values. Clean brushes immediately. Solvent for oils, soap and water for acrylics, then reshape bristles and store flat or upright. If paint is too thick or tacky, lift gently with a damp brush or thin the next layer. If ridges form, let dry and sand lightly before repainting. This prevents texture from dominating the surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.